Hey everybody, today I'm going to talk to you about how the loyalty program works. We have a standalone system and how it works is it's transaction based. So once a customer makes a purchase at your business, what needs to happen is you provide them a receipt and that customer can upload the receipt right through the app. We have a tab in the app that says, you can call it submit receipt or whatever you'd like to call it. And they can click on that link and it opens up a page where they're able to take a picture, a snapshot of the receipt and send it in for approval. Now I'm just going to demonstrate how this works. Okay, so we're in the back end of one of our apps, and I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to submit a receipt right now through my mobile device. Give me a second. Here's a picture of a receipt. I'm going to use this photo and submit. So I've submitted the receipt. And what happens is you as a business owner will get an email saying that, hey, someone's submitted a receipt for validation, please log in and validate the receipt. You come into your back office right here, and then you'd see this tab right here that says submit receipt validation. You click on that and you can see the receipt that's been validated. Now this one is a receipt that's been taken a picture of, and there's two ways to upload receipts. The client can either take a picture of the receipt, or there's 4 fields of information we ask for. We ask for the location, date, receipt number, and the amount spent. If they fill that stuff out, then they don't have to take a picture of the receipt. You can validate it with that information that's provided. But we're going to look at this way for this example. We can basically, once you see the receipt here, we can come in here to edit the receipt. We can take a look at the receipt. This is the receipt I just entered. We can make sure that it's our receipt. We can check out the receipt number, the amount sold, amount spent. If you got more than one location, you would select the location that it was at. The transaction date, you enter the transaction date, the receipt number. Let's go 103, and the amount spent here was $39.11. So you submit that, and now the system knows that this person on this date at this location with this receipt number spent this much money. Now there's a few reasons why we need all this information. The first and most important one is to make sure that as a merchant you don't have any kind of fraudulent behavior activity happening inside of the app. So if someone was to submit a receipt today with receipt number 1003 and you would approve it, and then 2 weeks later they would submit the same receipt, you would look at it, it looks the same, it looks authentic, you may want to, you'd be inclined to approve it. The system, once this receipt number has been approved, you won't be able to approve the exact same receipt number. It'll give you an error message saying that the receipt validation failed because of a duplicate invoice. So that's the main reason there. Also, if you've got multiple locations, you can track what's been spent where and what locations and how they're performing. The amount spent is needed for the amount of rewards to be added to that customer's account. Okay, so we've got all the information in here. What the merchant would come and do is basically hit the approve or decline button. So we're going to say that this receipt is good, it's valid, and we're going to approve it. Hit the approve button. And now what happens is on my phone, I've just received a text message, I'm not sure if you heard that go up or not, that said I just got rewarded and my rewards have gone into my account. Now you can go in here into the manage customers list and you can see this is the account that I just created for myself. I've got $12 in rewards. If you were to click on my name, you can see the rewards when I've earned them. We got receipt number 1003. We just earned $2 January 11th, 2018. Okay, so that's how the reward system works on our system. It's a standalone system. You don't need any kind of POS connectivity. It works on its own. It's fairly easy to use, and it's a really powerful tool. While we're looking at the reward system, how do we redeem these rewards that we've got in our accounts? There's 2 ways to do it. There's one way right through the app, which I'll show you in a different video, but the other way is right through the back office. You come in here, you can search for your customer, you found your customer, you click on their name, the link to their name, and there's a redeem button right here. Click the redeem button, select, again, more than one location, you enter your password, the invoice number, and the amount that you're redeeming, hit submit, and it takes it out of the customer's account in real time. Hope this was a good information for you guys. If you got any questions, as always, please forward them to us. Thanks for watching.